Hey guys, it's CT out in the garage. Today we're going to get this shop organized. It is a mess and it's hard to move and get around in here. We're going to figure out where we can store the 914 temporarily, get all of this stuff organized, and get back focused on Rusty. Stay tuned. Well guys, it's the next day. We got a lot done yesterday. It might not look like it, but we did get a lot of stuff out of here. And there was a lot of stuff inside Rusty too. I had probably about 20 old vintage chainsaws in there that I pulled out. All this stuff is going to my sister's house, her garage just down the street from here, temporarily, till we get everything organized and cleaned out. So it's Sunday, and we're going to focus on that mostly the rest of the day. If we get lucky and we get everything cleaned up and organized, we'll do some work on the transmission. Otherwise, I'm just going to focus on getting it to where we can function in here a little bit better. Both of these tables are going to be completely cleared off. All the engine parts are going to get put in an area and start getting ready for prep and assembly. So as you can see here, there's tons of lizard poop, and there's some mice poop and rat poop in here. We've had issues in here over the years. They do get in here occasionally and poop on everything, pee on everything, so that's another reason I wanted to get everything out of here and get it cleaned up and organized. So that is where we're at right now. Just want to give you an update. Alright guys, see ya. Alright, check that out. Engine, parts, all that stuff gone. It's going to be staged in a special location where we're going to do the rebuild in the comfort of air conditioning. Oh, that's going to be so nice. But I'm going to continue getting the shop cleaned out. I really want to hose the whole garage down, just to get any of that residue from the lizard poop and the rat poop and all that crap. Get it cleaned out, use some Dawn, spray some Dawn on the floor, and just get a nice good clean surface. We're going to keep everything as organized and as neat as possible, and that way we can have a nice, simple, uncluttered space to work in. I don't know about you guys, but I can make a mess, but I definitely work better when it's organized. So, you know, sometimes you gotta make a mess and then clean it up. Sometimes it's, you know, it's like spring cleaning. All right, guys, stay tuned. CT's garage. Tear down that wall. Hey guys, just continuing to open up this can of worms. You know, I've been so busy with Rusty and other stuff. I've really let the yard go. I need to get some of this cleaned up, organized. This wall I put up was just supposed to be temporary months ago. It's probably been a year now, and that wood is not really designed to be rained on. This is actually really nice furniture wood, but it was on sale when I got it, and that was not the intention, but it was just a temporary fix. So I'm gonna take this down for now. I might put it back up here, but I wanna have it open so I can spray all this out. Hey guys, believe it or not, I've been out here all day Saturday and Sunday, give or take a few hours, and getting a lot done. Got everything out. I pulled everything out of here, sprayed it all down, and now I'm starting to put stuff back in. A lot of the stuff I took over to my sister's garage. Luckily, she's been letting me use it to store all my junk. So trying to streamline the process here a little bit, make it a little more comfortable to work. I also took down these walls and been cleaning this back area out. Been considering putting a slab in here so I have a third bay with a carport type overhang. Not sure if I'm going to do that, but definitely considering it. I don't know if you guys know what these are, but if you do, let me know. I think maybe it's some kind of pool drain filtration thing. Here's a really old one. You can still kind of see the circle there. But the reason I started digging into this is my pool pump died. So I need to work on this. Been a little distracted. Had to pull all these vines out of here. And it's been a bit of a mess. But we're making some progress. Anyway guys, appreciate you sticking around. There will be some more Rusty videos coming soon, I promise. Hang in there with me. Talk to you soon.